Hello guys, and in this tutorial video, I'll show you how to download and install mods into your GTA San Andreas mobile version. Now if you're using the original game version, then the first thing you have to do is to install a Cleo APK which will allow the game to run mods. But if you already have the Cleo APK installed, you can skip this step and move on to the next one. Now the first thing I would suggest is to make a backup of your original GTA San Andreas game. So in case you messed up during the installation process, or install the wrong or corrupted script in the future, there will be a backup present for you. Now to install the Cleo APK, open your browser and search GTA SA AML Cleo APK and click on this first website. I'll also put this website's link in the video's description, so it will be much easier for you all to access it. Now simply download this Cleo APK file. Now open your file manager app. Well, here I would recommend you to use the Z-Archiver app as it's the easiest to use. Or it's your choice, you can use any other file manager, but make sure you have the permission to access the data folder of Android, as many file managers don't have that permission. Once you're in, go to the Android, then data, and scroll down until you find com.rockstargames.gtsa folder. Now what you have to do is to just long press on this folder, tap on the rename option, and here you don't have to change anything. Instead, just add any number like 1 in the end and click on OK. Now head back one step, open the OPV folder and rename this rockstar.gtsa file with the same name you typed in earlier. Once done, close this app, and now all you have to do is to just uninstall your original GTA San Andreas game. But make sure you don't clear the data before uninstalling, otherwise it might create some problems in the future. Again open the Z-Archiver app, go to the download section and find the Cleo APK file that you have downloaded from the browser earlier and simply install the game. Once the installation is done, head back to the Android, then data, and remove the add-on name or number you typed in earlier. Do the same process in this file too. With that, 90% of the installation process is done. Now the next thing you have to do is to transfer these two files from the Cleo APK folder to your main game folder. So tap on these three dots, select the multi-select option and select these two folders. Once done, copy these two files and paste them into this given directory. And with that, the installation process has been completed and now your game can run any mods. So firstly, I'll show you how to install the Cleo mods. All the Cleo mods generally consist of two files or just a single .csa file. So just copy these files and paste it into this given directory. If the mod isn't working by chance, try putting the mod files in this directory. The second one is animation mod. All the animation mods consist of only one single pet.ifp file. So just copy this and paste it into the anime folder. And a message will pop up where you have to select replace. And I think that's enough for the tutorial. Now if you found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe.